Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels and how you can leverage them to potentially build a lucrative online income. We'll explore the benefits, different monetization methods, and most importantly, how to create these faceless videos, even if you're a complete beginner. The beauty of faceless YouTube is the freedom and flexibility it offers. You don't need to be on camera, which is perfect for those who are camera shy or simply prefer being behind the scenes. Plus, with the right approach, these channels can generate significant income through various methods. There are several ways to make money with your faceless channel. YouTube ads. Earn revenue based on ad views displayed during your videos. Digital products. Sell your own ebooks, courses, or other digital downloads directly through your channel. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale generated through your links. CPA marketing. Get paid for specific user actions like email sign-ups driven by your videos. Brand deals and sponsorships. Collaborate with brands in your niche for sponsored content or product placements. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty creating engaging faceless videos. There are three main approaches. Do-it-yourself free content ideas. Use tools like Reddit or research trending videos in your niche. Script writing. Follow a basic framework to ensure a clear structure. Online resources can help. Voiceover. Utilize free voice recorders or online tools. Visuals. Utilize free stock footage websites like Pexels. Editing. Free editing software like CapCut allows basic editing. Thumbnails. Create them using online platforms like Canva. For faster growth and optimization, consider these additional tips. Hire freelancers. Outsource script writing, editing, and thumbnail creation to focus on content strategy and channel management. Automating workflow. Use project management tools like Trello to streamline video production. Ready to build your faceless YouTube empire? We've created a comprehensive training course to guide you step by step. It includes everything from finding the right niche to optimizing your videos for maximum reach. Additionally, the first 7 viewers who book a call will receive exclusive bonuses, including a free ticket to our exclusive mastermind event and more. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to learn more and secure your spot. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content on building successful YouTube channels. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest uploads. See you in the next one.